Hi guys! Welcome back again to my vlog, and for today's video, samahan niyo ako as I open the gifts that I received in my birthday. And here it is! Ta-da! I have flower from my colleague. She gave me a white flower. Purity for the white flower. Thank you so much. And I have these gifts. And let's open those gifts one by one. Let's start opening. Of course, this is Rafaela. It's a chocolate inside, which I like. This is from Tiago. Rafaela chocolate. So let's open the chocolate. Chocolate first to make everything sweet afterwards. To make it sweet afterwards. I like this one. I like Rafaela. This is Rafaela chocolate. This is coated with coconut. White chocolate coated with coconut. So this is the first gift that I received. Actually, it's not I received. I took while we are doing groceries. You need to give this to me as a gift. This is so cute. Actually, this packaging, it's like for Ramadan packaging that they have. It's like a small gift box. It's so cute. Now let's move on to the next one. So we'll just leave that one there. And the flower over here. So let's move on to the other one. Another another gift from Tiago. It's from Carcassonne again. Carcassonne Gold and Diamond Store. Yeah, this is the one. This is another earring. If you saw the gift of Team Saya to me, so it's an earring too. But this one, it's another earring that we paired to this necklace, which is also a gift from Tiago on my first birthday celebration together. So this is his first birthday gift to me. This is his first birthday gift to me, and now it's already have partner. So yeah. This is the partner. This is the partner of the necklace. This one. It's also with stones around the necklace. It has stones around also this earring. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see, but it's like that. There's a stone around. Yeah, because this one is with stones also, and this one it's so we choose the ones with stone too to pair. So I have already pair of my necklace from Tiago. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yan. That's the second one. Next, another gold. Another thing from Carcassonne, gold and diamonds. Gold, it's an investment. It's a good gift. It's forever and ever and ever with you. So another gift. This gift is from my colleagues, my friends from work. So this is it. This is the one that they give me. Oh, it's this one. Yeah. I think you can see that. Let me show you the pendant that I have for this. This is the one that I received from my friends. Thank you so much. So I will show you the pendant that I have, and let's try to put it on. So this is the pendant, and let's put the pendant to the chain. Ayan na. It's already complete. It's already with chain. Ayan. So nice. Thank you, Mama Chup Chup. Mwah. Thank you so much to all my friends. Ayan. It's already complete. It's not alone my pendant. It's already with chain. Ayan na siya. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one, it's this one, PAHABOL, the paper bag. This is from Belle. Belle, thank you so much, Belle. But ay nagaba pala siya. So let's because it was too much the stapler. Yan. I got a sling bag. Sling bag ba? Is it a sling bag? Yeah, it's a sling bag from PAHABOL. It's a sling bag, like 3 print. It's a sling bag. Wait, ano to? How is this one? This one will be connected together. Okay. I have sling bag na. Another sling bag, another bag, another collection of my bags. Thank you so much. Ayan, love it. Let's open it to see. Ayun. Ayan. Tama ba? Yes, it's correct. Correct. It's there. Asan yung ano? Ayan. It's here. The whole. Another collection of another additional collection of my bags. Ayan. Try natin. Let's see. Ayun o. Yan. I like it. Thank you so much. Ayan. Pack. Thank you, Belle. Thank you so much. Ayan. Balik tayo dito. Ayan. Next in line. This one. Kiko from Lily. Yeah. Cute ng no? So cute, the box. There's a message here. This is for you. Have a wonderful, happy, healthy birthday now and forever. Lily. Yan. So sweet, Lily. Saan natin? Ayaw. Ay. Ooh! May pa ganun. Pull this and it will open. Wow! Dami! Too much! I have here mini nail liquor, Cuckoo. And this one is Glam Lip Stylo, Dolce Diva Stylo, Kiko Milano. Kiko Milano too. And this one is Green Me Volume Mascara. So I have 3 different masks. Beauty mask. Thank you, Lily. Thank you so much. Let's move on to the small paper bag. Victoria's Secret. This one I know. This is from my sister. I bought this one. There's still even receipt. There's still even receipt. What is this? Okay. This is the receipt of this item that we bought. You want to see? No need to see. This is... Pakita ko sa inyo. I'll show you. This one are... Ayan. These are seamless underwear. Ayan. As you can see, it's illusion. It's seamless. It's not showing. So I really love this collection of Victoria's Secret. So my sister grandma wished to have those. Yan. To have those ones. Yan na siya. So. Bala na kayo. And the last but not least, the biggest one, it's from my sister to Victoria's Secret, because my sister is working in Victoria's Secret. Char! Thank you, my dear sister. You know, it's so big. It's so big, the box. I don't know what's inside, but this is the packaging, gift packaging of Victoria's Secret. Yan. There's an extra. This one, I grab in her bag. I grab. These are 3 different scent of Bombshell. And she knows that I really love Bombshell, the original one. So she gave this to me as an extra gift. Too much extra. Thank you. Mwah, mwah. Too much extra. So I have this 3 different scents of Bombshell. Bombshell Intense, Bombshell. This is the original. Intense and Seduction. So we should try those now, but later on. I don't want to open everything. I don't want to waste it. It's perfume and it's expensive, I know. I'm so excited what's inside. She said I don't actually need it, but she just wants to give this to me. I'm excited. What's inside? It's kind of heavy. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Still covered with the pink paper. Ta-da! Ayun! I've got another bag. I have now another additional collections of my bags. Yay! So cute. I can actually use this one to work. Ayan! Ooh! It's so cute. Black. You can use this to go to work or to go out. You know, to have something more to bring. So it's this one, the design. Ayan. This is the zipper from outside. Small one. Ayan. And it's with a gold design. Ayan. I like it. But I can feel that there's still something inside. It's kind of heavy, or it's just my imagination. Let's try to open. Maybe yes, maybe no. Told ya. I can feel it. There's something inside. I got... What is this one? Ayan. This is a passport holder from Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. Love Victoria. Ayan. Passport holder in pink color because I love pink. And there's another one. Ta-da! It's a Bombshell body mist and lotion. So she knows that I love Bombshell. First time I came here, I sprayed the bombshell and I really love it. Bombshell. Too much things. Ah, there's still more. I got lipstick. She knows that I love lipstick, but due to pandemic, I'm not putting too much lipstick. But still, I'm a lipstick addict. Ayan, I've got a lot. Ayan, I told ya there's still something inside. I can feel it. So this is all what I've got from my birthday. Ayan, more this one. More perfume. So I don't need to buy perfume, body mist or whatsoever that I can use every day. So I've got everything here. Ayan, so this is what I've got. So sweet. Thank you so much for this gift. I love you all. You don't forget my birthday and you still give gifts to me. Ayan na yung mga gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi guys! May pahabol akong gift. Unboxing gift. Thank you Ate Eileen for the flower. I have another gift. Bubuksan na natin to. Let's open. Si Tiago. Gift from Ate Eileen. Dun, 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 dun. Yan na siya. What's inside? I don't know. It's ta-da! Wow! Babe, can you open please? Can you show pajama? Yes, pajama.
Shorts.
With the t-shirt. Love. With the flower. Ayan, that's the gift of Ate Eileen. Thank you, Ate Eileen. Thank you for your gift. May pahabol ulit, guys. Another gift. That's the unboxing of for this gift from my friend Jenny. Pahabol. Dun. From Bershka. I'm not sure. Let's see. Ayan, this is from Bershka. It's a wallet. Ayan, another additional gift for my birthday. Additional gift for my birthday from my friend Jenny. Thank you so much. Mwah. Enjoy this video and thank you for watching on my unboxing of my gifts, And that's it for today. That's it for this video. And please, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will always be notified if I have a new uploads. Thank you so much again for watching, and God bless everyone. I hope to see you in my next vlog.